Now we have done with eustachian tube. All right. In the middle ear, there are 3 bones present. Is it all right? Okay. The 3 bones are, what are the names of the 3 bones? The malleus, incus and stapes. The common name for them is hammer, anvil and stirrup. Okay. We will not use the common names. Okay. And not at all. It is strictly said that we should be knowing about the scientific term, the technical term for the bones. Is it all right? So it is, the first bone is malleus. I'll show you. Malleus, the incus and the stapes. Malleus is hammer shaped, you know, to some extent it is hammer shaped. It looks like a hammer. That is why commonly it is called hammer. Incus is a, you know, it is something which the blacksmiths have. All right, this is something the blacksmiths use. Is it all right? And they call it anvil. All right. So it looks like more or less like this. It looks like this. लोहार लोग यूज करता है, blacksmiths use. Is it clear? Incus and stapes. Is it clear? Stapes is also known as stirrup. What is the meaning of stirrup? You have seen when a person rides the horse. When a person rides the horse, he rests his foot on a structure. You know, he puts his foot on a structure. Is it clear? So it looks like that, and that structure is known as stirrup. That structure is called stirrup. Is it clear? So here it looks like that. So these are the 3. That is why this is called hammer. We will not use the term. We will say malleus, and then incus, and then stapes. Is it clear? These are the 3 bones. So here we come again. Is it? I have drawn here. If you so you can. So here is the tympanum. Here is the tympanum. Tympanal membrane, tympanum. Is it all right? Okay. So here comes the first bone, that is the malleus. Why am I drawing it again? Because the location is asked. Is it clear? Hammer. Is it all right? Then comes the anvil, incus, and then comes the stapes. Stapes is the smallest bone of our body. It is the smallest bone of our body, stapes. See, these are the 3 bones. The first bone, that is malleus. What is the location of malleus? One end of the malleus, the handle part, is attached to the tympanum. Is it clear? And the other end, the round part, the head part, is attached to the second bone we call as incus. Okay. So incus is, where is incus present? Incus is present between malleus and stapes. Which bone is this? This is the stapes bone. Stapes. All right, this bone is called stapes. So what is the location of incus? Incus is present between the malleus and the stapes. And where is stapes present? For stapes, one more thing, it opens into the inner ear. It touches the not opens, it touches the inner ear. Is it clear? So this part, the malleus, the incus and the stapes are the part of middle ear. And here one more thing is present, the eustachian tube. Okay, eustachian tube I have mentioned. Now, this next to this comes the inner ear. Is it clear? So, where is stapes present? Stapes is, which part of the place where it is attached? I'll be coming back to, I'll be repeating it because we have not done inner ear. There is a part where it is attached. This part is thin membrane like, and we call it oval window. Oval window is a part of what? Is a part of inner ear, not stapes. Oval window is a part of inner ear. All right. So where is stapes present? Stapes is present between incus and the inner ear. Which part of inner ear? The oval window of inner ear. Oval window. There are 2 window kind structure. One is round window, another is oval window. We will come to those structures later on. So here is oval window. Which part the stapes is attached to? To the oval window, is it? Now, the bones are attached to each other. That means the head of hammer to the incus, the head of malleus to the incus to the stapes, they are attached by ligament, loosely attached by ligament. And you know, when they can, you know, slightly move, the bones can, the joint can move. Now what happens? What we know, that the sound waves are coming, hitting the tympanum. Tympanum is converting sound wave into vibration. Is it clear? And what are these three bones doing? They are transmitting the vibration from tympanum to the inner ear. Is it clear? It comes to malleus. Malleus, the vibration is passed from malleus to incus to stapes, and loosely they are attached with ligament. Is it clear? So all three vibrate. And one more thing happens, while they vibrate, the vibration is amplified by around 16 times. Lot of amplification of the vibration occurs. Repeating once more, what happens here? Sound wave is converted into vibration by the tympanum, and vibration is amplified while passing from one bone to other. I missed out one term, is it? Now here, these three bones together are known as ear ossicles. These three bones together are known as ear ossicles. Ear ossicles we call them. Is it clear? Three bones together are called ear ossicles. So what is the function of ear ossicle? They transmit bones. What are the bones of an ear ossicle? Malleus, incus, stapes. What is the function of ear ossicle? They transmit vibration from the tympanum to the inner ear. Is it all right? And not only this, they also, while doing this, while transmitting, they also amplify the vibration. Is it clear? Okay. So what are the basic functions of middle ear? Amplifying vibration, transmitting vibration from one end, means from outer ear to inner ear, from tympanum to the inner ear. And what is, we must not forget this part which is also present in the middle ear. Which part is this? Eustachian tube. It equalizes the air pressure on either side of tympanum. So we are done with outer ear and middle ear. Now we come to the main part, that is where the balance is maintained and where the sound is produced. So let us see what is this. Is it clear? The inner ear.